Hello there! I'm your science teacher, Miss Chris. And today we are going to talk about waves. Essential competency, waves as carriers of energy. So let's go! But before we begin, I want to know how are you feeling right now? That's why you need to pick an emoji that describes how you are feeling today and why. Let me go first. I will pick happiness because I'm feeling happy that I'm about to share something fun, insightful, and exciting to you. How about you? I think that sounds great. Let's move. Our objectives are define a wave, differentiate mechanical from electromagnetic waves, enumerate the types of waves, create a collage showing the important applications of waves in our daily lives. Now, let's have a short recap about our previous topic. Directions. Complete the given definitions by unscrambling the words below. It is any change in position with respect to a reference point. Can you guess? We have the picture as a hint or clue. Motion. Next. It is the total length of path traveled by an object from the initial to final position. Can you guess? Distance. As you can see in the picture, the total distance is 7 meters. It is the shortest path traveled from the initial position to final position. You can look at the picture as the clue. Can you guess the answer? Displacement. So far, so good. That's why I am giving you a star because I know you're doing great. Next. How about this one? It is how fast an object is moving. Can you guess? Speed. Next. It is how fast an object is moving with direction. You can look at the picture as a clue or hint. Can you guess the picture or the answer? Velocity. It is a change in velocity caused by speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. What is the answer? Acceleration. Okay, you did great. Now, can you look for familiar words in the puzzle that we will be using as we go through our lesson? W for wave, P for parts, S for sound, E for energy. What else? L for light. Okay. Again, we are going to talk about waves. And let me give you an awesome, because I know you did great. Okay. A wave is a disturbance that travels through space and matter and transfers energy from one place to another. The two types of waves are mechanical and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical wave. It requires a material medium in order to transfer energy. One good example of mechanical wave is sound. are the two types of mechanical wave? We have the transverse wave, as you look at the picture, and the longitudinal wave. What is a transverse wave? It is a wave whose disturbance moves perpendicular to its direction. So as you can see, the wave that you can see in the ocean is what we call transverse wave. Can you observe the motion of the wave? And these are the basic parts of the transverse wave. The highest point is the crest, the lowest point is the trough. The part where it carries the energy is what we call amplitude, and the distance from crest to crest and trough to trough is what we call wavelength. Now, longitudinal wave. It is a wave whose disturbance and direction are the same or parallel. Now, this is the parts of a longitudinal wave. The part wherein they are stick together or they are compressed. That's what we call compression. And the part where they are far apart, that is what we call rarefaction. Okay, next. Now, let's focus on electromagnetic wave. So when we say electromagnetic wave, we do not need a medium to travel or transfer energy. What is an example of electromagnetic wave? Light. Now, these are, as you can see here, we have this, what we call electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, from the radio wave onto the gamma rays. Now, what are the types of electromagnetic wave? Gamma ray, it is the shortest waves. Okay, can you look at the picture here? Where is the gamma ray? The gamma ray has the shortest wavelength. Okay, it is beside X-ray. Now, where do we use gamma ray? We actually use this for diagnostic medicine. Okay, so when you see a CAT scan or CT scan, you can see that in hospitals. Next type of electromagnetic wave is X-rays. We use this to take pictures of bones in medicine. Okay, so have you experienced that? Next, infrared is used in your TV remote to change channels. Next, visible light can be seen by the human eye. So the fluorescent lamp, okay, that's one example of visible light. Next is ultraviolet. It is from the sun that causes sunburns. That is why we use tanning lotions or lotions that has high SPF to protect us from UV rays. Okay, or sunscreen. Not tanning lotion. Okay, how about this? Microwaves. It is useful for cooking if you have one at home, for radar and communication because they can penetrate clouds, smoke, and light and rain. Radio waves have the longest wavelengths and used to transmit data. Okay, so always remember these concepts. A wave is a disturbance that travels through space and matter and transport energy from one place to another. It is categorized as either mechanical or electromagnetic wave. A mechanical wave needs medium to travel and has two types, namely transverse and longitudinal waves. Electromagnetic waves do not need a medium or matter to travel and classified as radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. Waves can be observed in almost all aspects of our everyday life. Now let me see or let me check if you understood our topic for today. Directions. Name the type of wave shown in the example below. What kind of wave is this? You can see this in the ocean or sea. Transverse wave. How about this one? Slinky. Longitudinal wave. How about this one? CT scan. Gamma ray. This one? X-ray. Good. I know you're doing great. How about this? Infrared. And this one. Visible light. How about this, wherein you need to apply sunscreen in your skin or to your skin? Ultraviolet rays. And this? Microwave. How about this? Radio wave. I know that you got a perfect score. That's why I can say that you did a great job. Congrats. Okay? Now, as your extended activity, use your science notebook or if you have an interactive spiral notebook and create a collage showing the important applications of waves in our daily lives. I hope that you learned something today. I hope to see you soon. Again, I'm your science teacher, Miss Chris, saying goodbye.